For calling the tech support hotline, please enter the 5-digit computer ID shown on the screen.
Thank you for calling support. You are talking to Ron. How can I help you?
Hi, yes, I got a message on my computer. It told me to call this number.
No problem, ma'am. What kind of message you are getting? Can you please read that out for me?
Yeah, it says, let me see, that I might have suspicious activity on my computer. It asked me to call this number. It says to not shut down or restart the computer. And I see in the background it says,
Okay.
yeah?
It means it's blocked right now, right?
Yeah.
Ma'am, the warning that you are getting on the screen, it's a pre-generated security alert that pops up onto your screen and blocks your browser whenever it detects any kind of bad activity running onto the network.
Okay.
You might have visited any kind of unsecured website or any adult website on this computer, or maybe while surfing on the internet, you clicked on any bad link or any different link due to which some infections have got into the devices and the computer got infected due to that, okay?
Okay.
So we have to just go ahead and first of all connect your computer and the devices to a secure server so that any kind of bad activity that's going on right now that could be blocked, okay?
Okay.
So I will be guiding you some steps that you need to follow. So have a look on the computer keyboard. In the bottom left hand corner, which key do you see there?
I see CTRL.
Yes, next to CTRL, what do you have?
I see a blue FN key.
And yes, that's a function key. And next to FN key, what do you have?
It's like a rectangle with 4 boxes.
Yes, that's the Windows button. So you have to press and hold down that Windows button, the rectangular boxes key. And along with that, press letter R, R for Romeo. Press and hold down Window and R together.
Okay. Okay, so now I see it says run, type the name for program, folder, document, or internet resource.
Yes, correct. So inside that box, what you have to type is I explore. Let me spell that out for you. It's IEXPLORE.
Is there a space between the I and the E?
No, it's a one word.
Okay, so IEXPLORE. Okay.
Give a space after that.
Okay, so space.
After the after the space, type www dot
Okay, www dot.
support. Like you have dialed the support number. It's the same thing. SUPPORT.
Okay, so SUPPORT. Okay.
12345.
12345.
.com. .com.
.com. Okay.
So I believe in total you have typed there iExplore space www.support12345.com. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, now press the OK button. You will see your browser will open up, which will take you to a website, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Alright, so... Oh, that's annoying. Alright, so it looks like it's just loading something.
Yes. That will take you to a web page. That would be like establish support connection.
Yeah, it looks like it's loading right now.
Okay.
Alright, so now I see it says establish support connection. Type your name and the support key received.
Perfect. So I will give you your support key. In the meantime, I'm generating that key. You can just put in your full name there, first name and last name.
Okay. Alright, I've typed my name in.
Did you type in your full name there?
Yes, my full name.
Okay, so I'm just generating the key. That will take few seconds. Okay, so it's generated now. Can you please type that in? It's 566
Okay, 566
277
277
748.
748. Okay.
Yes. Now press continue.
Okay, so press continue. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now I see. Let me see. Do you want to run or save? Go to assist, open or.
Yes. Down in the bottom of the screen you will see run, save or cancel. Click on run.
Okay, I've clicked on run.
Yep.
Okay, now I see it says connecting to go to assist.
Yes, that will ask you to click on yes or no. Just click on yes whenever it will ask you, okay?
Okay.
You have to click on all the positive responses from your end.
Okay. Yeah, I see it. I've clicked on yes.
Okay.
Alright, and then I click on yes again.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, you can just sit back, relax. Let me just go ahead and check the problem for you, okay?
Okay. Yeah, and this was the message that I got.
So, is this the first time you are facing this problem into the computer?
Yeah, it's the first time.
Okay, I can see that showing there is a suspicious activity onto your computer. That's the reason it is telling you to contact the support. So we will be just going ahead and checking the problem. Let me start checking the problem. So as these are the network infections, it means it can infect not only this device, it can infect all the devices at your home. It doesn't matter that's an iPhone, iPad, Kindle, smart TV or smartphone.
Okay.
It can infect all the devices. So may I know, apart from this device, so far, did you receive this warning in your any other device?
No, this is the only device and the first time I received it.
It's your only first time you are receiving this warning.
Yeah.
Okay. No problem. I'm just checking the computer. That's a Samsung computer.
No, it isn't. It's an HP.
It's an HP.
Does this
But
guy
in the
even know
system
that he's looking at
configuration,
the hard
that's
drives?
showing it's a Samsung.
No, this is an
You
HP.
can see. You can certain Samsung. That's the reason I have asked you.
Okay.
So you sure in apart from this device you haven't received this warning in your any other device so far?
Yeah, this is my only this is the only device.
Like in your mobile phone or your tablet, Kindle, any other device?
No, this is the first time I received it. Damn it, I
Okay.
forgot to change it to VMware there
So I
too.
will just
Damn
go
it.
ahead and check the problem for you.
Okay. I don't think you noticed.
So as this is a network infection, so I need to know right now how many devices are currently connected to your network?
How many devices? I believe there are
Yes,
three. Is this computer, my phone, and my tablet?
three devices in total. According to you, three devices. Just see here, according to the network, current connections are 34. Can you see that?
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a lot.
Yes, and all these 34 devices are not even your devices because you can see under the active connections there are two kinds of addresses that found here. The local address and the foreign address, right?
Okay.
And all these foreign addresses are these unknown people, the bad people that have got the access of your network, and these people could be from any part of the world, any part of the country, okay?
Okay.
And just see the state of them. All of them are currently established, 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 right?
Okay.
Okay, and that's the reason why your computer is being blocked, because there are too many unauthorized people, the unknown people, which have gained the access of your entire network. And by connecting into your devices, they are misusing your personal information, your data, and your all the stuff.
Okay.
All right. Yes, and that's that is the reason why your computer is also in a blocked state. And what they have done right now, you can see they have damaged all the network securities onto your computer. Can you see the failed connection attempts?
Yeah.
That 1044, like thousand, more than thousand times the securities of your computer got failed to stop these bad people. And the network security status that was in a private mode, it has changed from a private network to a open network. Okay,
Okay.
and due to that, around 2058 people have already get the access of your network. And you can see now they have all the information, like they can receive any data, they can send any information out of your devices, and they can retransmit these infections, because as they are established, this is your identity, your IP address, and this is their identity. Now, as they are established, it means instead of using their personal identity, now they are using to visit your identity to visit the internet. And they can do any kind of bad illegal activity, bad stuff online, by using your identity. And the infections that have detected here, these are pornographic infection, the porn infection. So may I know, have you been on any adult website on this computer within few weeks, or any other device
No, I
using the
haven't.
same network?
No.
So might be the possibility, apart from you, somebody else has visited this website, due to which the infections have got into the computer, and the computer is getting blocked.
Okay.
So let me just check, have they done any damage to your this computer or not? Okay.
Okay.
All right. And may I know, do you do any kind of online banking, shopping, or pay bills online?
Yeah, I do all of those.
So, ma'am, that's not secured at this point of time, because as these bad people, they are connected to your all the devices. So whatsoever you would be doing, they might be able to check all those information and misuse that for bad things as well. Like if they can have your login informations, your email account logins, your banking logins, your credit card informations, and they can misuse those information. So what I will be suggesting you, till this problem is not fixed up, kindly stop using these important stuff online. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and you can see here under the system configuration, all those services that are provided to you by Microsoft to prevent your identity, your network, your IP address, and your data. All these securities have been stopped by these bad people. Can you see? If I will scroll it down for you,
Oh
you will notice
yeah.
all of them are almost from Microsoft, and all of them have been stopped by these bad people. Almost 80 to 90% of all these securities have been stopped here,
Yeah. Okay.
right?
Yeah. Okay.
You can see the block level engine, the Windows event collector, the web proxy, all the main securities have been stopped by them. And another thing that you will notice here, all these errors and the warnings that coming up onto your screen, the critical warnings, right?
Yeah.
And just notice the date and the time when they have got into the device.
Okay.
Today is 20th, 18th, 16th, all the times when you used your computer. And you can see why everywhere it is written none, because there were no securities. That these are the status of those securities which they have damaged, which they have stopped here. And due to that, these infections have increased within 2 or 3 days, around 342 number of infections.
Yeah.
So the
I've.
problem seems to be very critical. Let me just quickly run an advanced security scan onto your network that will let us know about these infections and what can be done. Is this problem is fixable or not? Okay.
Okay. Can I ask you? Can I ask you a quick question?
Yes, you can ask any question, ma'am.
Yeah. If you like, in like, there's some like here where you said like some of them are none. What does this address mean?
IP address?
No, like like you see here, you
Yes.
say that like none means it's no security.
Yes.
What does this mean?
Address means they are trying to fetch out your IP address,
Oh, okay.
your identity address. Yes, that's like if you in the real life you have an social security number that's considered as your identity, and in the computer, in a cyber life, like, your identity is getting traced by your IP address. For example, you pay bills, you do shopping, you do banking, you use emails. Whichever website you visit, your IP address is being sent to those websites
Okay.
so that they may know who is visiting those websites, because your IP address contains your all the information, your name, your email, your location, everything. And
Okay.
if that's in bad hands, they can misuse that, because from any part of the world they are using your identity and doing bad stuff. So in that case, if they will do any kind of bad activity, you would be responsible for that case. Okay,
Okay.
so no need to worry about that. Right now I have connected your network and the devices to a secure server. So till the time these infections are there and these securities are running, these bad people would not be able to access any kind of your personal stuff.
Okay.
Okay, so the
Yeah.
scan is completed. Here are the results. Let me highlight that for you. That's showing your network is infected 89%.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you were lucky, because if that percentage would be above 95%, even we won't be able to fix it that time. Your data is at risk. Bad
Okay.
users found onto the network. Clampy found, as well as the pawn infections detected. I have already told you about these pawn infections. That might be somebody has visited any adult website, and these infections can travel through the network and infect all the devices at your home. But another thing is which this clampy which is detected here.
Okay.
That's the main problem out of all. So do you have any idea related to this clampy? What that thing is?
No. What is it?
You can read about it here. I have highlighted that for you.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So that's what's on my computer right now.
Yes, not on your computer, on entire network and the devices. And you can see this infection allowed these attackers to get into your personal information, like your banking information, your passwords, your personal identity. And the thing is, you can change your banking information, you can change your password. But the thing that can never be changed is your personal identity. That's your IP address, which is getting traced by these bad people.
Okay.
So that's the main problem out of everything. So to remove these kind of things here, I need to assign a web security expert onto your case
Okay.
who gonna go ahead and fix that problem for you. Let me just create the case notes here, okay? These would be the web security experts that gonna fix that problem for you, okay? They're gonna go ahead and clean your entire network. Then they're gonna go ahead and clean your entire devices.
Okay.
After that, they're gonna go ahead and remove all the bad users that are currently connected. Remove all the infections out of your every device.
Okay.
Then they're gonna go ahead and secure your entire network, secure your identity, and secure your all the devices.
Okay.
And but for that, I think they will require somewhere around 40 to 70 minutes. So in the meantime, you have to leave the computer turned on as it is. Will that be fine for you?
Yeah, that'd be fine.
Okay, no problem, ma'am. And apart from that, the tools that are required for the fixation, these are the paid tools that they will use to block them and remove these bad people. So there will be a one-time fee as well. All right.
Okay.
Okay, so I will be just going ahead and connecting you with them. Before them, let me provide you the information. So for securing up the network, that would be of 149. Okay.
Okay.
For your identity, that's $299.99, and for your devices, that's 178. And it is the exact cost of the tools that's required for the complete fixation for the permanent solution. Okay, and in
Okay.
that case, everything is documented for your future reference. So you will be receiving all the legal written documents onto your email address.
Okay.
A 24 by 7 running toll-free number for your future help that will be given to you, so
Okay.
that you can call us any point of time whenever you have any kind of problem. You will be receiving the invoice, the service agreement, as well as you will be getting 100% assurance that all of your data would be safe and secure. None of
Okay.
the data would be lost, okay?
Okay.
So shall I go ahead and take your network and the devices to a secured server?
So like, so how much in total would it cost me?
Let me make a total here. Just give me a moment.
Okay.
So for your devices, that's 178. For your identity, that's 300.
Okay.
And for your network, that's 149.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's the exact cost of the tools, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I will be going ahead and starting the security shield so that we can just quickly go ahead and remove all those infections. Just give me a moment.
Okay.
So I have started the security shield here. Just give me a moment. So now this shield would be protecting your all the devices and the
That's so
network.
stupid.
So for the registration purpose, I need your basic information that is required. That's your name, your email address on which you want to receive all the documents, your best
Okay.
possible contact number,
Okay.
and your billing address.
Okay.
Please go ahead and type them in.
Okay. Oh, okay.
All right, ma'am. So for the payment purpose, which card you want to use?
I'll go and use my MasterCard.
No problem. You can help me out with the long 16 digits number of the card here.
Okay. Alright, hold on.
Okay.
Let me get it real quick. Alright. So the card number, right?
Yes.
Okay.
The long 16 digits number.
Let me make sure that's correct real quick.
No problem.
Okay.
Okay. And the expiration of this card and the CVV on the back of the card and your name as it appears on the card. Kindly go ahead and type them in.
Okay. Okay.
There is no any initial or any middle name between that on
No,
the
there
card?
isn't. No, there isn't.
Okay, no problem. And who is the issuer of this card? The name of your bank?
What's the issuer?
Yes, the name of your bank.
Oh, the name of a bank? It's the Benchild Bank.
Yes. I'm sorry?
Yeah, it's the Benchild Bank.
Which bank is this?
I just told you it's the Benchild Bank.
I'm sorry, which bank is this?
It's the Benchild Bank. Hello?
I never heard about this bank.
Well, it's a local bank where I live.
In which country?
The U.S.
Sorry, I also live in US. I never heard about this bank before.
What's the local bank?
Where? In which city?
In the city that I live in.
Which
Warrens.
city you live in, sir? Like I never heard about this bank.
Warrens.
Can you give me any other bank card?
I don't. That's the only credit card I have.
We can't accept Bencho bank card.
Oh, I might know why, because you're a scammer, Terimaki Chut. Terimaka
Same to you.
Terimaka
Same to
Bozaru
you.
Maru Chotu scammer, hey.
Same to you.
Well,
I'm sorry.
no, yeah, hello?
Yes.
Yeah, Terimaki Chut, you're a scammer.
Ha ha ha.
It's on you. I'm gonna make a YouTube video and make money off of it. Let me send you my YouTube channel.
Yeah. Show me.
There you go. This is my YouTube channel. Go check it out.
Let me check out. Just wait.
Okay?
Don't touch your computer. Let me see.
Okay. Hopefully he's not gonna launch it on my computer. What?
It's showing nothing, you idiot.
Why is it disabled? Let me get you another link.
Yeah, open that, idiot.
Alright, here's another link.
Open it, Bancho.
There you go, and also send it to you.
Bancho, open it.
There you go. There's my
Let
YouTube.
me see, Bancho.
Okay.
You created all these videos, Bancho?
Yes, I do.
Haddogi, Bancho.
You'll be up there soon. Yes, you will be up there soon. There you go.
Wait, Bancho.
Yeah, Terimaki Chu to scammer hai you mara chod scammer.
Just wait, Bancho.
No. I'm not gonna wait. Let me send you something. You can check it out.
Okay, Bancho. Don't touch your computer, Bancho.
Alright, I've just sent it to you. Let me go and click yes for that.
What have you sent to me, Bancho?
It's a program that you can use to charge my bank account. Check it out.
Really, Bancho?
Yes. There you go. Your password was 2211. Sorry. Terimaki Chu. You realize you're never gonna put sys key on this virtual machine, right?
From where you are, Bancho?
From where am I?
Yes, Bancho.
Yeah, I'm from the US. Where are you from? And your password was 5874. Let me see something real quick.
What's that, Buck Rachel?
Why don't you accept my file transfer?
File.
There you go, I just sent you it. I can see if you accept it or not, you know that, right?
No, we are not insurance that. Is there anything else?
What?
Is that a virtual machine that you're using at this part of time?
Yeah, it's a virtual machine. Oh, you just quit the session, how dare you?
Oh, how dare you? How dare you to call us and say like that?
You know, you're a scammer, you deserve it. Oh, hung up. So thank you very much for watching. Feel free to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.